Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 7 plus 2 root 12 is equals to a minus b root 3 and we have to find the value of a and b. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I'm going to do squaring both sides. So it becomes 7 plus 2 root 12 is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now 7 plus 2, 12 we can write 2 times 2 times 3, a square plus 3b square minus 2 root 3ab. Now 7 plus, we can take out the 2 outside, so it becomes 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to a square plus 3b square minus 2 root 3ab. Now if we compare both sides, root 3 is with negative 2 and ab. So the value of a square plus 3b square is a square plus 3b square is 7, while the value of negative 2 root ab is equals to 4. So from here, ab is equals to 4 by negative 2. So ab is equals to negative 2 and the value of a is negative 2 by b. So I'm going to put this value here. So negative 2 by b whole square plus 3b square is equals to 7. So 4 by b square plus 3b square is equals to 7. B square 4 plus 3b power 4 is equals to 7. 4 plus 3b power 4 is equals to 7b square. So we can write it as 3b power 4 negative 7b square plus 4 is equals to 0. So 3b power 4 negative 3b square negative 4b square plus 4 is equals to 0. So if I'll take 3b square as common, so 3b square negative 1. If I'll take negative 4 as common, sorry, it's b square. And if I'll take negative 4 as common, so b square negative 1. B square negative 1 is common, so 3b square negative 4 is equals to 0. Here it becomes b square minus 1 is equals to 0, so b is equals to under root negative 1. And b square is equals to 4 by 3, so b is equals to under root 4 by 3, which gives 2 by root 3. Now we know that a is equals to negative 2 by b. So the value of a is negative 2. Here is in plus minus, plus under root negative 1 and minus under root negative 1. Similarly here, b is positive 2 by root 3 and negative 2 by root 3. So the value of 2 is, if I'll put 1, negative 2, the value of a negative 2 by 3, negative 2 by negative 1, which gives positive 2. The value of a negative positive 2 by root 3. So it gives us root 3 only, negative root 3 and negative 2 by root 3. It gives us positive root 3. So the values of a and b are positive root 3 with negative 2 by root 3 and negative root 3 with positive 2 by root 3, 2 with negative 1 and negative 2 with positive 1. These are the 4 values of A and B. I hope it's fine and you understand it. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.